And from Livingston has a question about remodeling or rebuilding.
Really remodeling or rebuilding because she inherited this house up on Lake Livingston. I wish you could see the other side of it because she actually sent me the address and I got this picture off of Google, on the street view. And she's got this huge 4-car garage over here, but right on the other side of this house, there's water. So it's like right on the lake. It's a beautiful house. So, but Ann says, in the past 3 years, I've become disabled and my wheelchair or scooter can't get through most of the doors or into the bathrooms. And the galley kitchen's too narrow, and so are the bathroom doorways. The house in general is open, she says, but long and narrow. So here's my question. Is it smarter money-wise to completely gut the house or tear it down and rebuild? What do you say, Tom?
In the case of this, looking at that house, I would not tear it down. I would just get someone like Trifection and just remodel the interior the way you want it.
They can move the walls around, make the doors wider and all that.
And it'd be a lot quicker. And the house isn't some kind of tear-down house by any means.
No, it looks like a great house. That's my point.
I'm sure it has enough square footage. So, no, I would just remodel it.
Make the house you have what you want. And Trifection. You bet.
I just did my house like that, so everybody's going to do it eventually.
That's a project that they could really jump on because...
Yeah, the only question is the Livingston area. I'm not sure if they go there.
I bet you money they would.
Okay.
So go and find out.
I'm not going to bet you, but
okay,
because I might lose. That's why I don't gamble.
And actually, you know what? I don't gamble. A couple of years ago, John, my son,
I don't gamble at all.
They had a Las Vegas night where you walk in, they give you the chips and you can gamble. They're not worth anything, right? Yeah. And I'm going around, I can't put them down. I just can't gamble. It's just the weirdest thing. Tom and I are not gamblers.
No,
that's why we work together for so long. We don't want to gamble going anywhere else.
It's my money and I want it now. Okay, fine.
I've heard that song before.
Yes.
All right. If you got a question, we'd love to hear yours. Send them to us at HomeShowRadio.com. Use that Ask Tom form. Fill it out, send it in. Your question will come out here. Or like these videos over here that we do every day, all year long. And we appreciate it also if you'd subscribe to our channel.